Now to the science of shopping and how retailers are using psychological techniques to get you to stay and pay. They're so subtle you won't even realise you're being influenced by them. Tonight, some of the nation's biggest retailers invite our cameras into their stores to see how it works. Linda Kincaid has the story.
The more you can get to my five senses, not just one or two, the more I'm involved with your brand.
The battle for your shopping dollar just became psychological. Retailers, big and small, targeting your subconscious and appealing to your senses to sell. It's almost hypnotic.
And now I can taste stuff. I can't believe I can taste stuff. I mean, the trial's going to be, when I ask for something, do I feel comfortable asking for a taste in a supermarket?
At first, this may look like a normal supermarket. The reality is, it's anything but. This is Coles' flagship store, a brand new design and a brand new way to influence customer behaviour. Marketing expert Simon Hammond.
It's a quantum leap. I mean, it's a quantum leap for Coles to make in a supermarket, and it'll set the scene for everybody else to try and catch up.
Here shoppers can see and experience it all like never before. Themed like a suburban market, the walls have come down and the roof has been raised.
They've opened this whole thing up, and now we've got bake today, sold today, straight from our oven. I can see them doing it.
You get this low-level view across the store, which enables you to see every single department. That's the real big difference.
The look and positioning of the butcher, the seafood counter and the fruit and veggies section, all highly strategic. And as Coles' Director of Store Development Gavin Parker explains, it can get loud.
The fishmongers and the butchers and the bakers all spruik. It's something that we encourage them to do if they feel confident and like doing it. And of course, there's a heritage of spruiking, again, coming from the market.
Its colour scheme has been softened, so too the lights. The music carefully selected, big new aisles create a sense of space. It's an environment executives hope customers will return to again and again. The floor plan to be rolled out across the country.
People buy, with their eyes, with their sense of smell, with what they hear, and also touch. And so our ambition is to get the product and the customer as close as possible together.
Out of the supermarket and into the lab.
We create scents all the time for special requirement. People who want their own signature fragrances for their business that no one else can replicate.
Here, fragrances are mixed and measured. The science of smell is big business.
If you open a store, you want to make sure your store looks great. You also want to make sure your store smells nice to enhance, again, the customer experience.
Alex Kosek from Air Aroma knows fragrances can have a huge impact on shoppers. The company provides our biggest retailers and hotels with hundreds of different scents, many custom-made.
This blows air into the diffuser and the fragrance comes out this way, and we connect this into the air conditioning duct.
That's right, those air conditioning vents don't just regulate temperature. In many instances, they're a delivery system for fragrances. With our ability to smell more than 350,000 scents, companies are now using smells to lure customers in and create a sense of well-being. The theory is, the happier you are, the more likely you'll spend.
This is all about the smell and the taste.
This is basic marketing technique at its best.
At tea retailer T2, our sense of taste and smell is catered for and taken seriously. Here you can try before you buy.
And all of a sudden, you're tasting one after the other. You come in for a minute and you're here for 15, and you almost feel obliged to say, thanks very much, look, I'll take one of those.
And even entire shopping centres are getting in on the act. Melbourne's Westfield Doncaster designed with an aura of exclusivity.
The real change is that the entire experience has to engulf you.
As more and more retailers attempt to access your wallet via your senses, you'd be well advised to keep their methods in mind the next time you shop.
We are in an age where you go for an hour and you stay 5.